Hello and welcome to BobCAD-CAM. Today we're going to take a look at the differences between version 28 and our latest version, specifically when it comes to working with lathe parts. As you can see, we are working from a solid model, so first we need to create the wireframe for our part. To start, go to the Others tab, select Rectangle, and sketch a freeform rectangle on the screen. Once the rectangle is complete, we have to make it into a solid. Go to the Surface menu and select the Extrude Curve command, and pick one of the lines and pull it down to extrude. Now that we have a solid, we need to combine our solids. Go to Home Solids and then Add or Subtract, and choose Subtract. We're subtracting one solid from the other to prepare it for edge extraction. Next, it's a good idea to organize. Let's create a new layer and call it 2D. Make sure to make this our active layer. With the correct layer active, go back to Utilities and select Extract Edges from Single Surface. Move the extracted edges to the new 2D layer. Now that we have our wireframe, the next step is to join some lines. Use Line Join to create a line from the middle of the part, from this point to this point. Now we need to break this entity at specific locations. Go to Utilities and select Break Entity. Pick where you want the breaks, right here and here. If it's not breaking exactly as expected, you can use Utilities Break Divide to split the line into two. Once that's done, clean up the wireframe by deleting any unnecessary parts. Now we're going to look at the same process in our latest version. First, go to your layers and create a new layer called 2D, just like we did in version 28. Go to Create 2D, and inside Create 2D, use a feature called Spun Profile. Then once you are in the Spun Profile feature, pick your geometry and rotate around the x-axis. Use the Arc Fit option to generate arcs, then click OK. Now we have our layers and our profile ready to go. So as you can see, we can generate the wireframe from a solid in both systems, but our latest version of BobCAD-CAM makes it extremely simple.